Hello, traders. Today is Monday, June 23rd, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. We are on the 1 hour time frame, as you can see. Now, on the US dollar Swiss, we definitely do not have a break to the upside on the daily. I mean, the market flow is up on the daily, but we have no break of structure, which means that this move up, this whole move up, potentially could be a pullback to the move down. As you can see, price did go right up to the 78% and make a nice impulsive down. I think that the best bet for us is to be looking at this move up right here as potentially a pullback, and likely it's going to go down and either make a wave C or possibly a wave 3, right? Because the first impulsive downs would be an A or 1, this corrective ups would be a B or a 2. Then if we go short and we expect a wave C, what's a wave C would potentially turn back up, but it actually just keeps on going, making lower lows, lower highs in a wave 3, then that's like a bonus trade to me. So I definitely would keep an eye out for sorts, whether it's a wave C or whether it's a wave 3. I guess we'll just have to watch and allow the market to tell us what it is. So anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe, check out my free Discord channel, it's linked over here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.